To get back into offset cooking. What's up, everybody? My name is Kunchi. This is Cooking with Kunchi, and tomorrow we are going to be cooking some jerk ribs, jerk chicken on the offset. This is the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn reverse flow offset smoker. Now this is going to be filmed for YouTube, so I want you guys to ask me some questions in the comments. Everything that relates to fire management is on the table. These Jamaican jerk ribs, we're going to do a little different. That mop sauce that I made for that whole pig we did a few weeks ago, that's already up on YouTube. I'm going to remake that mop sauce for the jerk ribs and for the chicken. So you guys are going to get to see that. If you want to see the mop sauce recipe, go check out that video over on YouTube. So I want to know, is there anything you are struggling with in your offset cooking that you would like me to cover in this video? Thank y'all for watching. Peace.